Next, what I wanted to ask you was that when it comes to journalism, there is a lack of awareness in our generation and our parents' generation as well. Wherein, like, suppose if today someone says to their parents that, hey, I want to go into journalism, most probably it's like they know only two or three things. Okay, maybe you can become a TV anchor, maybe you can become someone who publishes articles in the newspaper. So there are these top two, three, four headlines which everyone knows. No one knows what is the beyond of journalism. And I'm for sure that for a news channel that's running 24/7, it's not these two, three people running the show. There's a ton of
Of course.
crew that's happening behind the show that leads to that episode going air. So, like, I wanted to know that uh, everyone knows the popular ones, like the anchor, the top guys who are in the front end. But who are the people involved in the back end? Like, what are the job descriptions for mass comm? What are the job options?
So it's pretty much same as when you actually go and see a movie.
Yeah.
Have you seen the amount of credits that
Oh my
come?
goodness. Yeah. Yeah.
So the first three credits are your lead actors,
Yeah.
but uske baad the credits are for the entire crew and cast.
Yeah.
So that's
Exactly.
exactly what happens in journalism and TV journalism as well, because as much effort that we are putting to see or put something on front end,
Yeah.
back end has that much work going in.
Yeah.
So, getting to your very pointed question on job roles, obviously the more fancy ones everyone knows. You have anchors, you have reporters, you also know cameramen who are there with the reporters and anchors usually. But the other aspects that are there in a television channel, if I'm just supposed to talk of a television channel right now,
Yeah.
there could be things from, there's an entire technical department that goes into seeing that the news goes perfectly seamlessly on air.
Yeah.
So that's the one technical side of it. We call something which is called an assignment or a desk,
Okay.
and those people are actually looking after copy editing and copywriting of the news piece, of the headlines,
Yeah.
of what will go on air, of so that's a separate section of skill and people that work on it. They also keep tab on instantly what news is happening.
Yeah.
There are few job roles that have to take care of take inputs from everywhere from India, like from the country, because
Yeah.
we're all a national news channel, to actually see what is happening nationally.
Yeah.
So you need someone to keep track of that as well. There are people who manage resources in terms of where a camera will go, what news will be covered, who are we interviewing. That is one aspect of it. The other aspect is guests. We have so many guests these days who come on air, because
Yeah.
most of the bulletins are actually debates and discussions.
Yeah.
So to kind of look at who's going to fit the bill, the topics, etc. There are research teams that research topics that for anchors,
Yeah.
help them with let's say information and data points that can help them in their debates.
Yeah.
And the biggest thing, we have a production control room which we call a PCR, where you have your directors who direct the anchor, who make sure that everything is going on air perfectly, the graphics are running side by side, nothing is going mismatched. That's the control room that we call for us.
Yeah.
Then you have even the graphics team. There are so many graphics you see on air these days. We have a proper graphics team. We have editors who edit the news.
Yeah.
So this is just one, I'm talking about a news channel and one side of it. But similarly, print has, again, X number of job roles that go into, apart from only reporters who are going and taking down stories.
Exactly.
So every, I think, media vertical, or anything in mass comm, has all type of job roles, the front end and the back end, and both have to really simultaneously work together and seamlessly, because if the back end doesn't function well, the
The
front
front end
end
is
will
not.
fail.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. So these are a host of job roles that happen in television. So you really don't have to just think of coming in and becoming an anchor.
Yeah.
In fact, you should never think that, because you will never learn the trade then.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
you should come in and do a lot of more other things and build on that skill. There are so many producers we have, and producers actually guide us, like anchors, that this is how we should do, this is what I'm looking at, how the show should be, this is how I'm looking at how it will look on air, so this is what we can do. And
Yeah.
then maybe the anchor puts in a lot of effort. So actually the anchor has a lot of job is made easier for the anchor, actually, by the other people.
Okay. And this piece of information which you said, if it gets mainstream, like if more and more people come to know that, okay, like right now the entire vibe is that if I'm taking journalism, it's a gamble on my career. Why? Because not everyone can become the primetime news anchor. But if this
Sure.
information gets spread to more people, that okay, it's not just the anchor who earns money, it's even the graphic guy who's earning money, it's even the guy who's researching who's earning money. So that's when people get to know that okay, this is some real profession happening and it's not just a gamble that's happening.
Yeah, it cannot function beyond because if these guys are not there in the system. So
Yeah,
everyone has to realize that journalism is also like a business unit.
yeah, exactly.
Everyone is doing their job to make sure that the news comes on air.
Yeah,
So those units also have to work. अब in a business unit marketing नहीं होगा और हम sales करते रहेंगे तो लोगों को पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि product है.
yeah,
So
exactly.
it's exactly like that. Everyone, in fact, even TV has its own set of marketing sales, but that's a different, completely different genre if you want to get into.
Yeah,
But if I'm purely talking about the business of news and how news has to be delivered, there are at least like some 40 job roles that I can actually write and give you right now without even doing my research and thinking about it that people can pursue in journalism.
crazy.